Hello, and welcome to the Curriculum Night Information for World History here at Lakeside High School. My name is Jovan Stean, originally born in Berkeley, California, and moved to Georgia in the mid-90s, a graduate of Georgia State University, and I'm happy to be joining Lakeside High School this year, and this is my fourth year of teaching. Here, I have provided you with contact information for myself. You can reach me through email or through the Google Voice number. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Classroom expectations. I expect students to display proper respect for the learning environment and all those involved, come to class on time and prepared with a Chromebook charged, something to write with and to write on, and to always give maximum effort on all activities and assignments, and to never be afraid to ask a question. The resource that we will be using most of the time for World History this year will be coming from the World History Project, which is an online platform that provides articles for reading, videos to analyze, and a lot of other activities designed to engage students in the work of becoming historians. Additional content for World History will be located in the Active Classroom, which is an online platform provided by DeKalb County Board of Education, which also contains articles, videos, and activities for the students to use. I am very happy to be here at Lakeside this year and very happy to be back teaching your students in person. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for stopping by.